And while it's still moving, slowly, I'm going to measure this, because this is where that flat inset lid's going to sit. So the important dimension to measure is the corner there, that corner. So that's about how big that lid should be. Now this guy, theoretically, if it was thrown thin enough, wouldn't need hardly any trimming. You might have to just clean up an edge or two. This is kind of thick, and it sits up too high. So I am going to turn it upside down and do some trimming on the bottom of the lid because I'm just hard to please. So this is going to be more awkward, a little trickier, but it shouldn't slide around very much. Now, the best way to get that out of there is to let gravity be your friend. Or, plan B, I have tools to do some gentle prying. There we go. This is still plenty beefy. I mean, I think this kind of lid should have some weight because it just feels to me like it's holding itself down better. But once again, this is a pretty solid knob. I could probably get away without poking a hole in it, but I'm going to poke a hole in it anyway. There. See, with this needle poked all the way in, it still didn't come out the top of the knob.